the action camera world is heating up with the brand new release of the DJI Osmo Action 6. Now, DJI have been relentlessly releasing action cameras for quite some time now. This one I'm really excited about. It's got some quite interesting features. So there's a new square sensor, which from what I've seen actually allows you to capture vertical and horizontal videos, all in the one frame. So it's a 1/1.1 inch square sensor. There's also variable aperture here, f2 to f4, and then there's a few other options as well, but this is a big one here, 20 meter waterproof. Typically it's 10 meters waterproof, but 20 meters waterproof is big. And then I love this inbuilt storage as well, so we've got 50 gigabytes of inbuilt storage here. So let's get into it and see what this is all about. Okay, here we go. Right, so I always love what they do with their packaging here. It's just so simple and clean. We've got accessories with a little tab that you pull out like so. And then we've got the Osmo Action 6. So that's that. And then on top of that, we have got the selfie pole as well. So let's move that aside. This is the selfie pole, or whatever they refer to this as. Always built extremely well. Love the build quality on these. There we go. So it looks quite similar to previous versions. DJI Action. It is an extension rod. Feels really nice. Nice grippy rubber. Yeah, 1/4 inch screw on the base there. Nice and simple. All right, let's jump straight into the Osmo Action 6. Okay, so if we move that aside, give ourselves a little bit of space here. I'm just going to move my hand a little bit actually. Okay, here we go. So very keen to see this variable aperture. So we'll take this off. And we'll take this off, just getting rid of the stickers so we can see what we've got. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. So when we look at this, we can see really clean branding. It just says Action 6 in the corner, slightly different color. We can see f2 to f4. We've got 1/1.1 inch sensor and a field of view of 155, which I think is quite standard. We've got a little sensor here, which I'm curious to learn about. We've got the DJI branding on the side with the little quick release door here. That's actually seems to be in a different position this time. Nice and sealed, and there's something in there which we'll remove. So that's where you put the micro SD card, the battery, and then on this side, this is going to be for the USB-C, I would imagine. So slightly different release mechanism this time. It's actually quite interesting, just the way that it goes off to the side. I think previously it was an up and down, now it's off to the side, and then you pull down. So that's the USB-C. Then we've got the little mounting base, which we're very used to now. Nice big display on the back, quite a large bezel, but very bold. Love the design of this. Obviously the screen on the front there. And I believe you can remove, yeah, you can still remove that by the looks of it. So you can remove the lens to put on some different lens caps. Okay, so that's the camera system. Now let's have a look at the accessories bundle, hey? Let's have a little looky here. So we'll put the camera off to this side. And here's the accessories bundle. So they always pack it full of very nice accessories. So as always, we get the paperwork, the stickers, which we'll put to one side. And then these are all of the accessories here. So that's the little paper, stickers, all that kind of stuff. Then we've got some little screws here to mount. So you get 2 of those. We've got the charging hub, which looks quite similar to previous ones that we've seen. So there's that one. Yeah, very similar to previous charging hubs. Nice simple design. USB-C to USB-C. So again, very standard here. We've got This is this adhesive mount here, which I actually never use, but they're slightly bent, curved. I would imagine go on a dashboard, you know, car, bike, whatever it may be. I don't actually know why it's curved. I was thinking originally handlebars, but probably not. But yeah, so we've got that mounting option. Let's just leave that there for now. And then we've also got maybe 2 mounting plates this time. Is there no case this time? So that and that. Let's just get it all out, hey? Let's put it all out on the table and see what it's all about. Right. So there we go. There's nothing else in the accessories box. Obviously we've got the stickers that I've moved off to the side. But it looks like that's the kit that we're getting this year. So they're the 2 mounting plates. Nice that they've given us 2. That's the camera system. Right there, that's the Osmo Action 6. Looks very, very nice. But yeah, no case, interestingly enough. Let me just read the packaging. Yeah, no case this time. Interesting. So that's what you get though. Nice bundle, as always. Can't wait to see what the Action 6 has to offer. And there we go, that's the brand new action camera from DJI.